Hello and welcome. Thank you for looking at our vids and thank you for your comments about the cam belt being too tight. Now the belt was a bit noisy, so let's have a quick listen. I think that's acceptable, but let's get inside and we can have a look at the actual belt. There's the belt, and it is tight. I was told you should be able to turn it through 70 degrees between the cam wheels. I can't quite do that here, so I'll slacken it off and retighten. The balancer belt seems okay, but I'm so afraid of a slack belt skipping a tooth. I've slackened the tensioner. Now I'll adjust it back up again. Not quite so tight. I reckon that should be okay. I'll tighten the tensioner bolt and I'll turn the engine over by hand. That's my 22mm socket with the end ground down so it fits snugly on the big bolt. I haven't taken the spark plugs out, I'm too lazy. There's some bloody compression on that engine. Right, we're on the marks, the marks that I put on when I changed the belt. So we're on the marks, so let's have a look, let's feel how it is. Well, I suppose that's about right. I always allow for the belt to stretch over time. That's a bit daft really. So this does feel a bit slack, but I'll go with it. Putting it back, don't forget that little 10mm at the bottom of the brace there, holding the inner shield on. Let's listen again. Well, I guess you were right. That does sound happier. When I went out the other day, there was no turbo boost on this car. So friend Dave said, check this pipe to the dump valve. And it had indeed come off. So I fitted a new one. And I think that's a good excuse to go for a road test. boosting. Happy days. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye.